Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. So here we are with another unboxing and quick look on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, which has been launched recently. We have got the retail handset with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage in the Interstellar Black variant. On the box, we have typical Redmi branding with few details at the back and pricing at the top. Let's just quickly unbox the phone and see the phone itself. We are unboxing the phone. Meanwhile, you can hit the subscribe button for more such amazing content. Inside the box, we have the SIM ejector tool, a silicone case, an instruction manual. Next up, we have our phone, and at the bottom of the box, we have this 33-watt charger, USB cable. Now getting back to the phone, the design looks quite catchy because of the shine at the back. Let's just quickly boot the phone. Meanwhile, you can see it has a punch hole display with 6.67 inches, resulting in full HD plus IPS LCD display. The aspect ratio of this device is 20:9, resulting in 395 ppi density. At the back of the phone is huge square-shaped quad camera array, starting 64 megapixel main camera along with an 8 megapixel ultrawide sensor, 5 megapixel macro, and lastly 2 megapixel depth sensor. There is Redmi branding at the bottom and no rear fingerprint sensor. At the right hand side of the device, there are volume rockers along with power button, which also doubles up as side mounted fingerprint sensor. At the top, the infrared sensor and a microphone. Getting to the bottom of the device, the C port. At either side of it is a loudspeaker and a microphone along with a headphone jack. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, both at front and back. Also, the SIM tray is on the left side along with a dedicated SD card slot. At the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie shooter in the fashion of punch hole. As the phone is booted up, let's just complete the startup procedure. As you can see, the display is LCD, but it's quite fantastic. The punch hole camera looks different at the start, but you can get used to it. The phone is running on Android 10 along with Redmi custom MIUI 11. The heart of the phone is run by Snapdragon 720G clocked at 2.3 GHz along with Adreno 618 GPU. The major change one gets with this Note version from Redmi is the whopping battery of 5020 mAh along with a 33-watt Type-C charger, which claims it can boost battery up to 50% in half an hour. Along with it, it also has incorporated the Navy chip for GPS developed by ISRO. To sum it up, the Note 9 Pro Max is the good device at the hand, but recently due to GST hike, the main selling point, which is the honest pricing branded by the parent company Xiaomi, the device price just goes on increasing. There are some hits and miss, but all in all, the phone is perfect for someone who loves the gaming and a better camera along with a massive battery backup. If you end up watching till here, Do press the like button. Also subscribe to us as we are coming with interesting videos every week. That's all for now. Meet you guys next time with another video.